X is a chain of supermarkets formed by a merger between 5 independent retailers. As part of the rationalisation of X post-merger, the managing directors decided to introduce a new inventory control system throughout X. Each of the branches of X currently uses a different inventory control system. Which 3 of the following system changeover methods might be appropriate for X given the circumstances described? And our choices are direct, phased, parallel, and pilot. And a couple of things to think of here. This question wants 3 that might be appropriate, so all we need to do is identify 1 that isn't. And the other thing to notice is they're going to introduce the new system throughout X. All of them are going to have the same system. And so what we actually have with these options, a direct one is where you simply get rid of the old system, bring in the new system, and that is something that we could potentially do. A phased system is where you introduce it into some of the stores and then into the next one and then into the next one, and again that could work. A parallel system is where you run it at the same time as the existing systems to make sure you're getting the same answers. So that could also work. But what wouldn't be appropriate would be a pilot system, because once you've done this throughout, you're then not going to have to do the whole thing again. So it's not like you're going to have a pilot system in one, learn the lessons from that, and then introduce it elsewhere. This is going to be introduced throughout the entire company, and therefore you are just going to have one system. So the correct answer is A, B, and C.